wanted to be here for this first.
What the challenges that
I'm too old for that. I use climate data for environmental management, protection and conservation purposes.
We need climate data to bundle it with other social or economic information and design climate services to support adaptation processes.
I've learned a lot. The two main things are the reanalysis and seasonal forecast.
I have learned from this training that the Climate Data Store is a unique window to discover, select and process climatic data.
The most important thing is that I've been learning how to start using this massive amount of data on climate.
Thank you very much. You did a great job. Thank you.
Good decision on the environment and good policies must be based on science, so this is why people should join.